Okay, so in this lesson what we're going to do is deal with simple pentatonic scale, and we're going to play it in A because most of the stuff that we do that's related to blues is in A, so that we've got a common point of reference. So now with the pentatonic scale, what we're going to consider is how to play it in a fashion that goes straight across the strings in a descending in pitch fashion, and also in an ascending pitch fashion coming back down, and then we'll see what else we can do with it as we go along. So firstly, let's get to the A pentatonic position. Now we're going to take our first finger and head up to the 5th fret. In fact, in this scale, this A pentatonic minor scale, all the 5th fret notes on all the strings will be played. So it's just going to be an alteration between the little finger and the 3rd finger to play the other notes. So what we have is 8, 5, 1st string, 8, 5, 2nd string, 7, 5, 3rd string, 7, 5, 4th string, 7, 5, 5th, and 8, 5 on the 6th string. Now you can reverse that and do it the other way around. You can play from the A, which is also A on the top string, which is exactly the same note names as the bottom string or the 1st string. So we can start at 6 and go 5, 8, next string down, 5, 7, next 5, 7, next 5, 7, next 5, 8, next 5, 8. So there's your pentatonic scale. However, you might find that after a few minutes of your friends might get a little bit sick of that after, say, half an hour of jamming. So the idea is to find notes and runs and licks and all that sort of thing within those notes that will enable you to sound a little bit varied. Now, the other thing too is that a lot of people learn the pentatonic scale like that, but another way of doing it is to start with the A here and play now they'd be the same notes. All I'm doing is just resolving after the C back to the A. Same notes, just different positions, and it gets you out of that position of 4 frets where your fingers are just dealing with the individual notes as you go over them up and down the strings. So what we have once again is starting on A on the 6th string 5th fret, so we start there, then 3rd fret on the 5th string, then 5th fret, 7th, and then to the 4th string, 5th fret, 7th, and then to the 3rd string, 5th fret, 7th, up to 9, and then to the 2nd string, which is 8, 10, and then the 1st string, 8, and then back to 10. So, or basically the same thing, and you can muck around with those and do whatever you like. But there's just a quick lesson in how to play pentatonics, and we can't overemphasize the benefit of understanding that this is a pattern. So if you can do that there, you can go up another fret and then you're in B flat, or 2 frets and you'll be in B. So that'll go with that. Go up another couple of frets, you're in C sharp, another fret, you're in D. So you've learned a pattern that's movable, and it's the same with only. So, remember the pattern? It's the A pentatonic scale, and those notes are found all over the place. There's only 5 of them in this scale, but that'll get you started with a lot of lead playing, and you'll find that it goes with a lot of different chord names. It's very hard to play a wrong note with that one. Okay, so see how you go with that.